Mzansi, buckle up. From the union buildings to your backyard, here's the story everyone's talking about. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the heartbeat of our nation. We're looking at the innovations and individuals
were transferred from Cape Town. They remained as they are with the case numbers. The ones that were transferred from Orlando, what was supposed to happen is when they reach Valeria, they were supposed to generate new case numbers of Valeria, but it never happened. So they kept them with the same original numbers from Orlando. They only changed the station only, the station name only.
But your paragraph 30, those 7 dockets include the Orlando dockets.
That is correct.
Just one small issue on the collection of the 7 dockets. I know you had nothing to do with the letters that were exchanged, but I just want to refer you to page 111 of file 10. You will see there is a letter from Advocate Johnson to Major General Khumalo. We understand from testimony that later it was changed to General Sentumule. But you see at paragraph 2 of the letter that it only lists 4 dockets. You see that?
That is correct, Chair.
So when you got to General Jacob's office, you didn't specify a particular number, you just said generally.
That is correct, Chair. I didn't specify the number, or I just said the docket that are related to that matter that I've spoken to Colonel Phillips about. I didn't specify the case numbers or the numbers.
Oh, and then they gave you 7.
That is correct, Chair.
All right, thank you. You've already explained that there was some misstatements at ad hoc related to the letters. Is there anything else you want to say in relation to that? At paragraph 31 of your statement, you explained that at ad hoc there was an issue regarding the collection of the dockets.
Yes, now I think I've already touched on that, just to give a picture of what actually has transpired.
All right, thank you.
Ms. Boyd, in the statement, paragraph 30, should it not be 2, 3, and 4 instead of 3, 4, 5, those Orlando? I'm just looking at the letter on 111 and the statement. The Orlando dockets should be 2, 3, and 4, but here it looks like it's 3, 4, 5 in the statement. Do you see that?
Yes, I see that. We'll, Commissioner Khumalo, we'll just double check the referencing. And then that should conclude that section.
Before you do that, that affidavit at page 29, your affidavit, the one that you say you prepared after you heard what was said in the ad hoc committee.
Yes, Chair. Commissioner.
Can you just explain more what you say in paragraph 8 of that affidavit, it's still in the same file, your statement file?
Or paragraph 8?
What in fact was that discussion?
Oh, yes. When I collected the dockets, I had a chat with General Jacobs, wherein we were just having a casual chat where he was saying to me that each and every 10 days he needs to report to the Minister of Police to give him progress regarding these matters. So basically, the way I took it is that since we are now taking the dockets, it meant that it's now our responsibility to report or something like that. So that's why I just put it the way he said it to me.
And this was about the dockets?
This was about the
matters
dockets.
In these dockets?
That is correct, Chair.
Okay. And did he say why there was that kind of position that they needed to report to the Minister of Police?
No, he didn't indicate, Chair.
Okay, thank you.
I also actually wanted to raise that same issue, but I was to have based it. I think it must be somewhere in your or on your statement. Isn't there somewhere in your statement where you say in the dockets you found a correspondence?
Oh, yes,
and
Chair.
that it was in that correspondence where you established that there was this need to report to the minister.
No, I think I remember what you're talking about, Chair. It was we misquoted it. It was supposed to read that he informed me about that, but the letters were just information notes.
Just because I was interested.
So we captured it incorrect.
I was interested to know what that correspondence was, who wrote, and how exactly that need arose, and whether the correspondence showed where all of this came from.
No, apologies for that.
Please look at paragraph 32. That's Chair's question to you.
Yeah.
Which file?
Have your statement file with you?
Oh, yes, 32. I'm on it, Chair and Commissioner.
So it sounds like you want to make corrections and just read the whole of paragraph 32 and see to what extent, if at all, it is.
Sure. What it do? I'm here, baby. Love is patiently waiting with a plan for you. A plan that pays up to 100,000 Rand for a funeral. Absa Flexi Funeral Plan. Your story matters.
Inaccurate.
Sorry, Chair, just to say that the witness did say this to me in relation to this, because we hadn't gotten to this section, we hadn't made the correction yet. But he did indicate that it wasn't correspondence, it's rather that in communication with General Jacobs, told him that there is this reporting every 10 days.
I raised it at this stage, even though we are not at paragraph 32, because it relates to the point raised by Commissioner Baloyi in relation to a separate affidavit. But I had also thought I wanted to follow up on this. So what do you say the correct position is now?
The correct position will be that I was informed by the general that is what should happen.
Okay.
I know you're not management, what you refer to as management at IDEC.
Yes, Commissioners.
But I'll ask the question anyway. In your experience and knowledge,
the energy is undeniable. It's time to showcase the excellence that defines us. Stay tuned to Mzansi Pulse for more stories that matter to you. Don't forget to like, follow, and join the conversation. Until next time.